Welcome to St. Pierre Road, one of the most magnificent estate compounds in Bel Air. Let me take you through this sensational villa with its incomparable opulence throughout, lavish entertainment spaces, and meticulous resort-like grounds. Thank you so much for visiting one of the most pedigreed estates in the world. Contact us for a personal visit of this fabulous property.
Thank you for watching. Comment the city in which you would like to discover the craziest houses. Do not hesitate to subscribe to Only Prestige Luxury for more content like this. Please like and share the video.